Hello guys, thank you for watching Flores by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe so you can see more videos like this, and please don't forget to click that notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So this is unboxing, this one, this big one, and this is from Amazon. And I think it doesn't need scissors. I just can open it like this. Yeah. Oh dear. Yeah, this is we just put the glue, the glue is very sticky. It really stick. The glue really stick. There. What's this? Let me see. Okay. Oh dear. There. What's that? Vocha. Enjoy cooking. Enjoy cooking. Multi-electric hot pot. Oh my gosh, I got a hot pot. Oh wow. Oh, thank you so much, darling.
You're welcome, my darling.
Amazing. I told you I need something like this. Oh my gosh. So, I guess the color purple that you got me.
I think it was only available in the green.
Oh no. Oh yeah, it's color purple green. Let's see. It doesn't matter what is it because
Looks like it's been opened and resealed. Looking at the top.
yeah.
I hope it's not used.
Oh, I hope not. Because if it's used, we can see it. If it's used, then you have to take it back. Because I don't want to use it if it's already used. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I got this one. So now I can do more cooking. Oh yeah, it's green. It's green. It's fine. So let's take out everything first. So this is you have to
Plug it in.
plug it
Electric.
in.
Yeah.
Also electric. So this is the
You don't need to open it. Just
okay. So
open it when you need to use it. If you need to use it.
Yeah.
If we get gas power cut, but electricity is still on, then you can use that.
Yeah. So this is for
I think it's for eggs, maybe.
eggs, and it's so there is a stand. So, also maybe like this. Oh, so like that. Yeah. So.
So I can lift it up.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Boiling
5, 6.
eggs.
6 eggs for this to boil. Oh, so you can boil and you can do. Oh, there is a scratch.
Oh.
I'm not sure. Can you see that? If it's a scratch. There. I don't know.
I don't think so. Don't see scratch.
It doesn't look like it's used,
Okay.
but it looks like it's. I'm not sure. I think it's scratched. This on the side as well. So, and this one.
Maybe this stuff in there. Scratched it a bit.
And this one is not used.
Just keep them. No, don't throw the wrappers
Yeah,
away.
because
Keep
I'm
them.
just for photograph, darling. I'll put it back later.
Just leave it in the wrappers.
Yeah, later, darling. Can I show them? Okay, so this is the, what do you call this?
Spatula.
Spatula. So that is the lid. So nice. So that's a, and in here there is a button here, and there's off, and then the watch in there, and so you have to,
The heat setting.
yeah, the heat setting. So which one is nicer? 600 watts. Oh, so that's why it's in there. 600.
That's the power
Oh, so
rating.
that is at the back. Made in China.
Where else?
Vocha. So capacity is 1.5 liter. So not bad. Voltage is 230 volts, and 50 hertz. 50 hertz.
And that's the UK standard.
And 600 watts. So that's nice. I can cook something in here. And it's
Keep it in case the gas gets cut off for some reason, then you can use that.
yeah. So you can boil water. You can do hot pot, cooking noodles, saute. Oh, so that's nice. Can do lots of things here. And also it's a non-stick. Is it? This material is non-stick. So oh my god, so that's nice. It doesn't stick. And it's easy to clean. Wow. So when I boil eggs, so if you boil me eggs, darling, you can use these, and just like that, and then you can take it out. It's easy. Oh wow. So that's very nice. And this is, I wish they put it a bit longer. Not bad. But then it's too narrow to the rim. But it's okay. I have other of these anyway, so I can use that. And this is an open, so
Yeah, that's the lid.
yeah,
You
that
can
is the
plug in.
lid. Yeah, and that is the instruction. Vocha. So it's called Vocha. Oh my god! So it's very nice. So it's made for England, for June Bright Limited UK.
It's good to keep for emergencies.
Yeah, for
So in case the
emergencies.
gas supply gets cut off for any reason.
Yeah. Oh my god. So thank you so much, darling. Thank you so much. I love
You're
it.
welcome, my darling.
So if this is a Christmas present, I already opened it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, so I still get another Christmas present.
Yeah, you can open that in a minute.
So it's early Christmas present.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this, guys. Early Christmas present. Amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. So next time when I cook, and then I will video it so you can see how I know. It's easy. So you just put stuff in, plug it in, and leave it. And it cook by itself. Oh my god. So this is good. This really fits for me because because cooking time is much fun and shorter time. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.